how to fix Freetrade portfolio value not working. So in here, the very first thing that you need to check is obviously your Wi-Fi or your network connection. If you're using your Wi-Fi, what you're gonna do is scroll down through your control panel and then simply tap on this airplane icon and then turn it on for about 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds tap on it, and this will actually resolve all of the network issue if you were facing one, right? So after solving that, if it's still not working, then what you can actually do is check for any sort of app updates. For that, you can go back and then in your app store, what you're gonna do is simply search for Freetrade, right? So after searching for Freetrade, if there are any sort of update, there will actually be a update button. All you need to do is tap on that one. Within a few minutes, your application will be up to date, and after doing that, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to fix the issue, right? But if it's still not fixing it and if it's still not helping you, then what you can do is simply check Freetrade's community forum or status page for live system outages. After doing all of these, you can simply log in and log out of your application and see if that helped or not. So after doing all of these steps, I'm pretty sure it will help you guys. So if you guys do have any questions, then please let me know in the comment section down below.